Hi, and welcome to Forging Ahead, groundbreaking pioneers and entrepreneurs in Wayne County's Black history at the Wayne County Museum. It features firsts like the First African Baptist Church, who've kindly loaned us this amazing model of their original church. It's wonderful. We have a section where you can read more about Black history. We have a beautiful portrait and a beautiful leather chair donated by Al King, our city's first Black mayor, and his Longleaf Pine Award awarded by the governor, the highest award that the governor gives out. You can see more about Mr. King, in this case where he is highlighted. We have a section on businesses and education. We have a display by Ernest Lofton Studios, the first Black-owned photography studio in the city of Goldsboro. It's very interesting to see the way cameras have evolved over the years. We have a section on ladies in Black history of Goldsboro. On Black beauty, we have a section on nursing, various entrepreneurs and award winners in the Black community, like Mrs. Ernestine Wooten, who was an extraordinary help to us in getting this exhibition together. We have a section on Dr. Mona Lisa Coley Pinckney, who is currently the Vice President of Nike, and a girl from Goldsboro. We have a section of awards from prominent educators like Dolores Hayes and Carol Hayes Artis. We have a section on Mr. John H. Wooten Sr., who has a post office named for him right off of Berkeley Boulevard. We have a section on Parker's Barbecue, delicious, who had the first integrated dining room in the city of Goldsboro that actually predated desegregation. We have a section on Dr. Lonnie Hayes, the first Black surgeon at Wayne Memorial Hospital and great humanitarian. We have a section on great Black military history with Private First Class Dan Bullock, who was the youngest person to be killed in action in Vietnam at the age of 15. We also have an exhibit on Wayne County's own Tuskegee Airman, Mr. Eagleson. We have a section on the first Black-owned radio station in Goldsboro, WOKN, owned by Mr. Robert Swenson. And we have a case featuring Mr. Amaziah Howell, who, along with Jake Musgrave, were the first Black police officers in the city of Goldsboro. We hope that you'll come down and see the exhibit, see the new museum, its facelift, and all of the changes here. Come meet our staff. We welcome you.